just left Home Depot. We got a car full of plants and this device called a PlantWave, which allows you to actually listen to the music of the plants. So we're headed to the Venice Pier and let's see how this goes. Come listen to the plants.
What's going on here?
It is real. Check this out. So this little device right here, it is measuring the electrical activity of water molecules in the plant. The plants are gonna sing.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's the tree? Whoa. No way.
That is incredible, you guys.
It puts me right into a thought of meditating.
Just like took the headphones off and I was like, it's okay.